Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisi-support njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Kunlayizolo kuphuma isinqumo senkantolo ebesithi uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wayengekho sephutheni ngokurecognize inkosi uMesuzulukazi Welithini as the king, nesinqumo esithe inkosi efanele ihlale esihlalweni sombuso wakwaZulu sikaMdlokombane inkosi uMesuzulukazi Welithini. Sizokhuluma ngaleyo ndaba ngoba uFloyd Shivambu ubhale iletha bemukela isinqumo senkantolo. Sizoyifunda naleso statement, kodwa ngifisa ukudlula kulelo daba likangizwe la ngeviki eliphelile. Simbona ubiza abantu wathi akiwe kaMayimayi lapha bezokukhuluma khona, ngazi bezothini, futhi angililandelanga nodaba la khona, kodwa kunamavidiyo engiwathola ukuthi interesting kakhulu mabili. Bese emveni kwalapho singena odabeni lesinqumo senkantolo.
Ayizongihlula mina leyo bhuti, ayi ngabe ngidlala ngabafowethu laba abagay, ayingeke bafowethu. Uyabona imvunulo lekuthiwe kaZulu njengamanje, hayi yabona sike sabona thina la intombazane ezele, yezwa uvalibomvu noma ngithi umtshendevu, ubhince ibheshwa, bhinca isinene, wafaka umqhele wensimba noma umqhele wengwe phezulu ekhanda. Akekho umuntu wakwakhuluma, akekho umuntu wakwabhikisha. Imvunulo ibhincwa izangoma, omama abayizangoma. Umama ebhinca ibheshe efaka ithayithi ngaphansi, ethi yena umkhulu bani, ezifake ngisho umqhele. Ngathi imvunulo ibhincwa abantu besifazana ngisho itshitshi kwaZulu, alibhinca ibheshu nesinene. Even la komaskandi besibabona osisi abacula umaskandi bebhinca amabheshu befaka amathayithi ngaphansi. Yabo ngisho itshitshi linemvunulo yalo kwaZulu, alibhinca la amabheshu abhinca omama beposte futhi la ku TikTok. Yabo manje asikwazi ukuthi singagijimela abafowethu laba abagay, ngabe ngikhombisa ungabi fair. Ngoba mina ngikholelwa ukuthi wathi umfundisi uKhanya intambo ixhunywa la inqamuke khona. Wayiqinisile ngeke imvunulo kaZulu iqhamuka isizohlambalazeka manje ngoba isibhincwe labafowethu abagay kathi ibhinca omama. Namanje basayibhinca laba nje most laba abayizangoma bayibhinca, nalaba abaculayo bayayibhinca imvunulo. Abanye akuvumelekile, ngeke bafowethu, ngeke. Angaleko yabona nje lelo daba lolu labafowethu abagay kade bebhinca imvunulo, mina ngineutral impela. Ngoba mina ngifuna ukuba bukhali nganxanye njengommese, ngifuna ukwenza lokho. Angifuni ubaba wami udlula sonakele udle kuyadliwa abanye baququbela. Dlula sihobhokile yahlaba yathunga nalithi. Ngeke umkhulu wamshipha store wanxabela zela ngusibomsana umfazi semntasi yanginokela bafazi basefitas bahle banezinqe ezimathuthumba ngathi nehlathi zawo bayizimo mondi iqhumlele ihlaza cwe. Elicezela ceza ngomavulakazi umthofo izigidi noje ongaphansi kwaye wamethu ngaphezulu. Ngazi umkhulu wayebajeke kanjani. Kodwa ngeke mfowethu imvunulo ixhashaza ibhincwa amantombazana. Nabo laba bayilwela imvunulo namhlanje bonke laba bathi abagxeka le etabani ukuthi itabani bebhincile, hayi mina ngeke ngabe ngidlala ngabafowethu laba abagay. Kwabona basabhinca ibheshu netight ngaphansi kuvela ujoki. Umuntu ebhincile kuvela ujoki ngaphansi. Manje hayi ngeke makufuneka eqalwe ukukhulunywa indaba yemvunulo kaZulu. Kufanele eqala nje ibe nomthetho ngempela, eqaleni kuwo wonke umuntu. Ingabi nomthetho kulaba abagay kuphela. Ngoba bona kuzoba sengathi manje bayacwaseka. Yabo ibhincwa omama imvunulo le kaZulu. Umama ezefaka ngisho imbatha lengwe. Yes, umama usele impela imbadlambadla kaMama ebhinca ibheshu. Manje bafowethu mina ayicha mfowethu izongihlula le. Ngoba mina ngifuna ukukhuluma into kusasa ezongenza ilokhuzana kuba ngathi ngisiphunqa. Angifuni nje ukukhuluma lokho, angifuni ukudlulela phambili. Ngisho ukuthi nalabo impela okufanele ngabe bayimela imvunulo kaZulu. Nakubo nje kusenzima kusephandle. Ngayezwa mina uMdlokombane ebonga esha amagama amakhulu efikele lapha nganoma wayesebuhleni noma wayesekhenana ngisazi. Ethi uyabonga ukuthi imvunulo kaZulu la ebandleni likaShembe isagcineke kahle. Ngeke umbone umama weNazaretha ebhinca ibheshu nangelilodwa ilanga. Khohlwa. Ngeke uyibone inkosazana yeNazaretha ibhinca ibheshu nesinene. Into ngeke uzibone le. Nangengozi wobona ngalelo langa ukuthi kondiza ingulube ngalelo langa. Ngeke uzubone lokho. Yilapho ke la ngiyangibona khona ngisho inhlahla ukuthi mayibhincile isuke ibhince genuinely. Ayikho into ongayithola. Mangeke ukuthi usabhinca ibheshi netight, usabhinca ibheshi neanda. Bese hayi bafethu ke sizinukeni thina amakhwapha aqala. Yabo. Ake sizinike thina amakhwapha angisho ukuthi ngineutral nje impela ngifana ne-USA mina ku Second World War. Ngineutral impela makuzwa kulolu daba lemvunulo mina mfowethu hayi. Futhi anginandaba noma ngingazwakala kabi anginankinga ngeke ngidlale ngalaba futhi abagame. Dala imvunulo kaZulu ixhashazo bafowethu. Dala qala namhlanje. Kudala ixhashazo yabo. But nevertheless ngicabanga ukuthi mina lento emvunulo le futhi ayiqale emakhosini. Kufanele iqale phezulu esilweni. Kube yisile esikhuluma ngayo futhi naso sokhuluma sibuye nganene ngoba naso sibuso umthetho sisekelo. Yabo bazogijima phela nabo laba njengaba abafowethu laba abagay bazogijima beyobuza ecourt ukuthi bona kungani ungamele bebhinca imvunulo ngoba nabo ba abantu uzothiniki. Imvunulo kaZulu ayiqala namhlanje ukuhlambalazeka uma ukuthi ihlambalazekile ayiqali ngalabafowethu abagay. Bhinca omama laba bayizangoma abantu bafaka abantu abadala bayayibhinca babhinca amabhishu nenene. Ibhinca osisi laba nje impela idikazi elisele. Libhinqa ibheshi nesinene lifaka itight ngaphansi liphequze ngemvunulo lize liphathe ngisho ihawu hayi bafowethu ayingeke mfowethu mina hayi ngiyaxolisa mfowethu hayi
Sizathu senza ukuthi ngifake le video ngiyazi ke kwabanye abantu lo bhuti unamagama alumelayo kodwa ke kuneqiniso alishoyo engeke sikwazi ukulibalekela. Uma ungabuka icover yemthente kunomama bathathu kukhona umama lo Dr Buselaphi nomama ababili angibazi labanye bangobani. Isihloko salo album yabe sasithi simqonda ngqo babuke babhincene mawufika ubabheka nje babhinca amabhisha abesilisa bafaka isinene nebhishu namambatha ngaphezulu nemqhele. Manje ke ilento eshoyo lobhuti noma ngathi uyayibalekela iyiqiniso ngeke uzuliphike ngoba into ongangena ku Google ubhala ukuthi imthente simqonda ngqo ikhava uzobabona labo mama la. Manje mangabe ikukhulunywa ngemvunulo kaZulu kufuneka ivikeleke kungani ikhetha abantu. Okwesibili futhi akuveza ubhuti lo uthi noma isilo ngathiwa siyafuna ukukhuluma ngalolu daba. ISouth Africa iphethwe umthetho sisekelo futhi okunye efuna ngikubeke kubantu ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi kuyabadida abanye. ESouth Africa sibuswa i-constitutional democracy. Uhlobo lwedemocracy esinayo eSouth Africa i-constitutional democracy. Leli gama lithi people shall govern alisebenzi la eSouth Africa. Lana siphethwe i-constitution. Intando yeningi isebenza masiqeda kuvota bese kuyaphela. Izinto azenze ngentando yeningi senzeka ngokuthi ithini i-constitution. Masingaqonda lo mehluko soliqonda izwe siphila phansi kwalo. Sikwi-constitutional democracy noma ngathiwa thina sonke ngazi noma su-60 million noma su-64 noma su-60 million sifuna into ethize kodwa lonto mangabe siyayifuna thina i-constitution yase-South Africa ayifuni lonto leyo angeke siyithole. So lento ethi the people shall govern majority rule isebenza kuphela uma ngabe siyavota igcine lapho kodwa siphethwe i-constitution eSouth Africa. Angidlule uSomizi uphawulile ngalolu daba naye usho into ebalekile naye athi simcaphune bese siyedlulela phambili odabeni leli lesinqumo senkantolo.
Right, now let's talk about this. I don't want to be long. So here's my take on this. Hello Lwazi. My take is that there was a missed opportunity to educate each other. There was a huge opportunity to educate each other that was missed. And here's why I'm saying this. Like, for instance, I'm Zulu. I did not know ukuthi kunemvunulo that is not supposed, that is only, that can only be worn by the royal ebukhosini, right? I did not know that. And just to show it as fun, like Handa as well, with all the anger and the noise that has been happening, I was able to find something that I can learn from it, which I learned ukuthi kunemvunulo egqokwa ebukhosini kuphela that only the royal family or the royal household can wear, and not anybody else or everyone else. And that was a teachable moment for me, and I believe that it should be respected. You understand? It should be respected. That is not even negotiable. And I'm encouraging everyone to do that, because now also in the LGBTQ plus community, there's people who are saying, now so we're going to buy this Mvunulo thing and ton. And I'm like, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Two wrongs don't make a right. Their tone was wrong. Their tone was rude. Their tone they need to be held accountable for it, because they incite violence. And we live in a very beautiful country where everyone has the right, human right, to be who they want to be anywhere, anytime. So you can't be telling people to leave South Africa just because they are gay. You can leave. Bye-bye. Sharp. So two wrongs don't make a right. So I'm encouraging the LGBTQ plus community not to fall into that trap, because now they would want a reason to justify their rudeness and their violence. Don't do that. Somebody's asking, why is it sold though? It's not supposed to be sold then. Because Nama didn't know. Nama would have bought it. I would have bought it. Like, that's what I'm saying. Let's respect the culture and the tradition, right? It's not supposed to be sold. It's supposed to be made only for the royal family, sharp. And then there's other traditional regalia that can be bought and sold. Yeah, his tone was out of Tontoni, out. And he needs to learn a lesson, because he's encouraging other people, for the fact that he has people who believe that gay people must leave the country, for the fact that he has people who would take their time to have that mini match. We understand? It means there are people who can believe in Magati, let there be violence against gay people. And also, what's fun is that to them, a gay man is somebody who wears nail polish, who wears makeup and hair and tontoni. They would be shocked to find out within that match, there are gay men. That is the craziest part. But Mabangati, every gay man, upuma intutula, in that match, there will be 10 people that would have intutu. You understand? So, my plea to the rainbow community, use your emotional intelligence, use your emotional maturity, not uguti is on an eye to an eye. We were not raised like that. Nope. We were not taught to do that. Nope. People should be held accountable for inciting violence, but let's not make things worse by disrespecting the tradition and the culture. There was a teachable moment there, please, guys. There was. Imvunulo ayigqokwa unoma ubani. Okay. But the Human Rights Commission has to do something to make sure this does not continue. He needs to know, this guy, you can't just wake up today and think. And also you can tell their anger is misdirected. There's so many things that are going on here. There's illegal people that are taking the jobs, illegal people that are overcrowding the place. There's crime. There's government corruption. There's 95% unemployment rate. The youth is not employed. The youth is going through the most. The youth is depressed. The youth is suicidal. The youth is going through the most. And the one thing you want to worry about is who puts it in whose ass. And then you're going to worry about, am I gay, wasting the entire day. I've never had an uproar. I've never had an uproar.
Angiyibambe le video kaSomizi yinde and kunezinto ezibalekile ayishoyo la ezibaleke ngempela and bawuqhathanisa inkulumo yakhe nale ngidlalile lo mfoko kwaZulu kunezinto ezifanayo ayishoyo njengoba besho ukuwabona manje okwesibili asike sifike esigabeni la kufundiswana khona azi umuntu ukuthi imvunulo ebhincwa ngabantu ngenjani abantu nje abafana nami abangabantukazana ebhinqwe ngamakhosi umehluko ukuphi ngoba njengami nje ngiyakwazi ukubona uma ngathiwa abantu babhinqile ngingakwazi ukumbona oyinkosi phakathi kwabo ngoba ngiyakwazi ukwehlukana kwemvunulo njengoba ethi there was a teachable moment ingoba sekafundile useyazi ukuthi ehlukene kukhona imvunulo efakwa abasebukhosini kuphela kunephuzu kodwa lisho uSomizi la noma ngathiwa siyathanda ukulibalekela angeke size sikwazi njengoba ethi abanye abantu bacanga ukuthi abantu abangamageyi yilaba abafaka ama-lipstick bapende nenzipho labo bantu labo yilabo esibabonayo thina nesiphila nabo uyawazi nawo wangakini siphila nalabo kodwa bathandana nobani ngoba umbone phakathi kwabantu besifazane nje umbone umuntu athandana naye kunabantu ekuthiwa ama-after 9 kunabantu abasabayo ukuziveza ukuthi bayololu hlobo abanye bangabifundisi abanye banezikhundla eziphezulu yiba abathandana nabo labafowethu njengoba ethi uzothola ukuthi kuyo leya mashi kukhona abantu abangamageyi kuyo leya mashi kukhona abantu abenza lokho ngoba amageyi ahlukene kabili abantu abanjengoSomizi bayilaba besifazane abantu abathandana nabo bafana nami nawe ba straight abanye banezingane namakhosikazi ba bisexual bayishaya ngapha nangapha labo bantu labo ke uma ngathiwa abekho bona ngaba bathandana namuntu so kusafuneka abantu baqonde ukuthi bakhona abantu abanjalo njengoba ethi uzothola kuyo leya group yakhe ade ehamba nayo bakhona abantu abanjalo laba babizwa ngama after 9 ngoba abafuni ukuvela njengoba ngishilo ukuthi abanye bangabefundisi einkonzweni ezehlukahlukene abanye banezikhundla eziphezulu abanye bahloniphekile emphakathini omunye unanonkosikazi kodwa uyilolu hlobo lomuntu bengithi angidlule nje kulolu daba ngoba lento esho uSomizi nalesho umfokaZulu ibalulekile futhi kubhlungu ngoba uma kukhulunywa ngamageyi kuvele kukhulunywe ngalaba bayeke laba abathandana nalabantu laba abafaka ama-lipstick abathandana nalaba abapenda izinzipho bakhona bafana nami nawe ba straight uyindoda nje mombuka kodwa unemkhuba yakhe yenze sithi bakhona abantu abanjalo sinabo bayaziwa abanye kunezinsolo ngabo abanye bahloniphekile ngafunde enye novel iyayikhuluma ngalo lolu daba kwakuwumfundisi okwakutholakala ukuthi ubhuka amahhotela nabafana abancane kodwa unonkosikazi nezingane hloniphekile emphakathini bhuka amahhotela kude ngoba engafuni ukubonakala asifunde incwadi le evela kwiMayibuye bese siyayivala le video ngiyabona izoba ende ngingakhuluma into eziningi ngale topic hayi ngoba ngiyazi kodwa ukuthi udaba esengeke ngalibhekisisa ngoba ngangikhathazwa into eyodwa ukuthi ngiyababona laba kodwa bathandana nobani ilapho engathola khona ukuthi abantu abathandana nabo abantu laba sithi thina ba straight okay angiyeke le ndaba. The statement iAfrica Mayibuye isikhiphe ngomhla ka-6 October 2025. Isihloko sithi Statement from Africa Mayibuye Movement welcoming the Supreme Court of Appeal judgment on the Zulu kingship dispute. Sifundeka kanje. Africa Mayibuye Movement salutes and welcome the Supreme Court of Appeal judgment delivered on the 6th of October 2025 in the case of the President of the Republic of South Africa and others versus Prince Mbonisi and others. This historic and resounding decision affirm His Majesty Ndlulamith King Misuzulu Welithini uPejane Phumekhanda elinsundu owadla umhlabathi wavumana as the rightful and divinely ordained king of the Zulu nation. Angifundanga zonke lezi bongo ngibona izongibambelela. The SCA's ruling uphold the sacred principles of Zulu customary law and the process enriched in the Traditional and Khoisan Leadership Act 3 of 2019. We salute the SCA for its unwavering commitment to preserve the integrity of African customary law, ensuring that the will of the Zulu people and their revered traditions triumph in the face of the contention. Following the solemn passing of His late Majesty King Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu in March 2021, Queen Mantombi, the appointed regent in the Indlondle Nophapekhanda, will fulfill her sacred duty by selecting her firstborn son, Prince Misuzulu, as the rightful successor in accordance with Zulu customary law on the 14th of May 2021. Is it 21 or 22? The Zulu royal family, with unity and reverence, affirmed this nomination, heralding the dawn of the new era under Indlulamith. I-Offloyd phela babuye esikoleni maye babuye babhale nalesilungu engingasazi funa ngisibhekisise ngifuna ne-dictionary. Kodwa lilonke nje i-Afrika mayibuye yemukela isinqumo esiphume enkantolo ngoba vele bekwaziwa ukuthi umuntu oyinkosi isilo Misuzulu kaZwelithini bekwaziwa ukuthi njengoba bekukhona bomndeni abangagculisekile. Siyakhumbula ukuthi ukufakwa kwabo kwecala lokuqala baveza ukuthi iwili le ekuthiwa yashiwa isilo esibuzile eyayithi umuntu ozoba ibamba bukhosi umntana enkosi. Emveni kokuba umntana enkosi esebambile ubukhosi uzobe se-appointa indodana yakhe kuyinkosi uMisuzulu kaZwelithini. Bathi leyo signature leyo ifojiwe akuyona ekaMdlokombane. Lakhulunywa-ke icala lakhona kwatholakala diya. Base bephikisa-ke ngokubekwa-ke njengezathu ezehlukahlukene ukuthi akufanele abe inkosi, babeka-ke nabezathu zabo. Kodwa bekwaziwa ngoba nakwemikhosi nje yonke khona, ngisho amakhosi nabantu nje abangabakwaZulu bayazi ukuthi isilo uMisuzulu kaZwelithini Indlulamith. Abantu nje lokho bayakwazi. So naye uFloyd ngesikhathi evakashela ubukhosi bakwaZulu wavakashela yona Indlulamith nje ubabona bebabili la. So lokhu nje abakwenzayo bathi bemukela isinqumo ngoba sesihambisana nalento vele abantu abebeyazi. Asibambe le video. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Mina nawe asidibane kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.